Hi folks, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to add a subscribe button to your channel or to your videos. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google when it comes up. Okay, and in there you want to search for a subscribe button. We're going to say subscribe button search square, so we're on a square one. Pick on one of the images that you want, either with subscribe one or that's a nice one. Yeah. When it comes up on the screen, right click, save as, call it whatever you want. And when you save it, you want to make sure you know where you're saving it to. So we usually save it to the desktop. And that's it when that's done. Then you want to go back to your channel and the tab that's open. Click on Manage Videos. Wait for that to come up. It's a bit slow today. Okay. And then on the left hand side, you want to scroll down until you see something called Customization. Click on that. And then at the top, next to Layout, you see Branding. Click on Branding. And then scroll down on the right hand side of the screen to the bottom and you'll see a thing called Video Watermarks. In there you'll see an upload button just below by that little there. That's it. So click on the upload. Find the actual icon that you saved. Open it up. And then once you're satisfied with all that, sometimes you might have to shrink it or make it bigger. Go click on Done. Okay, that will appear at the bottom, and then you've got to pick on display time, so end of the video, customize start time, or the entire video. I'm going to click on entire video. Okay, and once you do that, to the top of the page on the right hand side, you need to click publish. When that's finished, at the bottom it'll say in a second, go to channel. So you nip to channel, go into your videos, pick your video that's your favorite, click on it, and then bingo, there it is. In the right hand corner at the very bottom is your subscribe button. And it's that simple. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we'll see you very shortly in the next video. Take care.